Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and thank you for being here for this tutorial. So in this tutorial I want to talk about some issues that I personally have on my primary office computer and issues that other people have had with ACT and Microsoft Office programs, Word and Microsoft Outlook. In this case I'm going to talk about Microsoft Word because I have a client that's having an issue here, so I decided I want to create a video on this matter just so I can make her aware of what's going on, and I thought this might help you as well. So I have always found that sometimes the relationship between ACT and Microsoft Office can be a little difficult, and there can be a lot of reasons for that. For example, there are different versions of Microsoft Office. Now with Microsoft Office 365, you have software that updates itself behind the scenes automatically. So if you think about it from ACT's point of view, the manufacturers of ACT, they've got to make their software work with software that's constantly changing. Now, I'm not a software engineer. I don't pretend to be, but I want to tell you that within itself creates some issues. And let me show you what my issue is right now. I'm going to come up and I'm going to click on Write, and I'm going to go down to Edit Template. So I'm going in and I'm using Microsoft Word as my default editor and word processing tool within ACT. So I'm going to pick any one of these standard templates and I'm going to click Open. Now when I do this, I get this error message that pops up. Now there is some information behind the scenes that you can use to try to fix this issue, but my experience has been this is an awkward thing. If you came to me and said, how does ACT work with Microsoft Word? I would tell you poorly. How does ACT work with Microsoft Outlook? I would say with the exception of sending and receiving emails or getting ACT to send emails via Outlook, that works okay. But if you're trying to get things done like synchronizing contacts or synchronizing calendars, as a rule of thumb, I will tell you that will not work. Now on that note, my experience has been that some people have issues and some people don't. It can vary from computer to computer. But on that note, also, if you're fine today, you might find in the future you actually run into issues for no apparent reason. They can come and go. So the relationship between ACT and Microsoft Word and Microsoft Outlook to a certain degree can be awkward at best, and I just want to make you aware of that. I'm going to show you how to deal with this. One way you can deal with it, I'll show you in the next tutorial about running ACT as an administrator. Thank you very much.